Hey guys, and welcome to Lightwater Valley, a park that has had a little bit of an identity crisis over the last few years, but with the takeover of the Mellors Group back in 2025, the future is looking bright for this park. Keep watching, stay tuned, hope you enjoy the video. We've got duckies instead of buckies. So even for a travelling ride, they're making a little bit of an effort, just to theme it up a little bit, a teeny tiny bit. I know it's just tyres, but they didn't need to. They also didn't need to add the car, the garage, but they did. We're going backwards. Chris. Beautiful view. No! Oh, wait, I can't see the track, so I don't know where to go! See where I was going. Oh, jeez! Go! Oh. Hello! Whoa! We're actually spinning! Oh, I'm actually getting a bit dizzy. Oh, and into the brakes. Good? Very good. Yeah, it was good. First impressions are lovely, like. And then over here we have a golf course. It's an extra £3.50 per person, or for 4 people, it's 12 quid. We need more spaces like this in the UK because our climate isn't going to be sunny 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Now, we have had 2 heat waves in the space of 2 weeks, but still, stuff like this is very much needed in this country. Still very much a work in progress. I'll give you a little construction tour of what's to come. It's a constant development. The big wheel is brand new for this year. Spinning Racer, which is a portable roller coaster, brand new for this year. This, more permanent, coming for kids. So little baby steps forward, and it's nice to see. It's nice to see them trying to form a new identity moving forward, which is nice. Got a soft play area on the left there. Old school fairground games. Bit of everything. Candy floss, coffee, cappuccino. Well, whilst we're here, I'm not even ashamed of this one, Chris. I'm not even ashamed. We're only going to be here once until the next edition of new rides come in. So enjoy it. Oh, no, I'm not bothered about that. Here we go. Oh, it's the slow anticipation and the look of shame from Hayley. Caterpillar! I promise you, we are DBS checked. Chris, is this your favourite ride here?
Absolutely.
Get in. Number one in the UK? Right, we can get off now. I'm Sean. Welcome to Jackass. Taking the corner lines. We are picking up some speed. Oh god. Oh, it's gonna hurt if I fall off. Ow. Oh, Sean's down. Oh, this is terrible. If only I'd come here a few years ago. Ultimate, that is the station for the Ultimate roller coaster. One of the longest rides in Europe. Yeah, it's such a shame. It was like the iconic ride here. It went all the way through the woods. It looked special. It looked really special. And they got rid, and you can see the old little lift hill there. For those of you who watched my interview with James, who now owns the park, he did say in the future a statement ride is certainly something that they'd be looking to put Lightwater Valley back on the map again until it's feasible to do so. But yeah, a little piece of history. Maybe they could repurpose that building into the new statement ride for the future. That would be a nice way to honour the past and treasure the future. It's a shame we missed it. Real shame. Perfect timing. Choo choo! Can I get a higher?
I have no words.
Hayley.
Yes, Ron?
That looks like the Terrifier. How much was it? It's got a mohawk. It looks like Spudman.
It was £7, but it was bigger than this. Okay. It's shrinking. Oh,
That's humongous. Huge. Massive. Mahusive. Guess how much?
Like £13.
£16.90. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I genuinely think this is the most terrifying ride in the park. 3 adults probably shouldn't be in this boat.
I'm not gonna lie.
And they're wearing life jackets, and we're not.
I'm regretting
And
my last choice.
it's not. It's
It's a harder workout than I thought it was going to be.
Where are you going? Where are we going? There's actual water coming in. Do the swan boats, they said. It'll be fun, they said. It was not fun. In other news, those fish and chips were actually really, really nice. That was a massive portion. You probably would have been able to feed 2 people with that. We did survive, yay! We're quite high up here.
We are.
Whilst completely terrifying in every aspect, if you're going to go all the way up to the top of that thing, just know that they don't accept single riders. There is no sign at the bottom of the ride saying, just make a note of that when you come down and check it out. The pirate area. See, there is a pirate ship, but I haven't seen it move all day, so it might be down. This is nice. We got like a little husk break dance looking thing here. Very comfortable. Comfy seats. This is old. This is old. What this ride needs is a bit of music, because I think that would go really well actually. My fish and chips are coming up. Yeah, I don't feel great after that one, I have to be honest. I've never had so many adults looking at me and Chris on the front with judging eyes. I just thought we'd wave. Hello. There's comfy seats. This took a very dark turn very quickly. They're all dead! But nuggets! What a strange ride that was. It's like they'd overskinned it for Halloween and thought, I'll just leave it. We'll just leave it as it is. There we go, there's Lightwater Valley. We just went into the shop and pretty much cleaned them out as a thank you for inviting us down. We brought lots of goodies today, giving it back to this independent theme park. We've been here 4 hours, so clearly it appeals, even though it's not for my age demographic. But it's been a good fun. It hasn't been boring whatsoever. It's been a nice day. It hasn't rained, and I can see the appeal. I just hope that in the future more permanent things come in. That attention to detail with the theming comes in with even the temporary attractions. And yeah, there's a lot of room to work with. There's a lot of room to work with. And I think with the Mellors Group at the helm, I think Lightwater Valley is heading in the right direction, and that's all that matters. But on that note, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!